Hello friends, today we are here with new topic mensuration in math. Mensuration is a part of mathematics that helps us measure flat shapes. Like we want to know the perimeter. What is perimeter? The distance around a shape, that is called perimeter. What is area? Area, a space a flat shape covers. If we understand it in a simple way, if we walk around a playground, that distance is perimeter. If you want to know how much ground it covers, that is area. Okay, so around means perimeter and covered space is area. Okay, now let's understand few formulas for how to find the perimeter of common shapes. Like square has four sides, so perimeter of square is 4 multiply all the sides, 4 multiply sides. Rectangle perimeter what would be? 2 multiply length plus width or breadth. Triangle perimeter is the sum of all the 3 sides. Circle's perimeter is circumference, gives us 2 pi r. R is the radius. Let's understand with a few examples here. We have a square in first slide you see with a side given 5 centimeters. So we have to find out the perimeter. And what is perimeter? 4 multiply side. So means we have already given 5 centimeter of each side, and in a square all the sides are same. So 4 multiply 5 gives us 20 centimeter perimeter of this square. Next move to the another example of a rectangle. In a rectangle we have given a 8 centimeter length and a breadth of 3 centimeter. So we know the perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiply length plus breadth. Now length is here 8 plus 3 breadth. 8 plus 3 is 11. 2 multiply 11 gives us 22 centimeter of perimeter of this rectangle. Now we will understand the area of the 2D common shapes. Square's area is side multiply side. Rectangle area is length into breadth. Triangle area is half multiply base multiply height. Parallelogram area is base multiply height. And circle's area is pi r square. Let's understand with a few examples here. Suppose we have a square with a side given 4 centimeter and we have to find out the area. In a square all the sides are equal, all the sides are same, 4 centimeter 4 centimeter 4 centimeter 4 centimeter, right? And area we know side multiply side. So side is already given 4 multiply 4, so we find out the area is how much of this square inside is 16 centimeter. Now we have another example. Let's understand with another example of a rectangle. In a rectangle, the length is given 7 centimeter and the breadth is given 3 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of that rectangle. So the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. So 7 multiply 3 gives us 21 centimeter of the rectangle's area. Okay. Now we have another problem with a triangle. Triangle have a base 6 centimeter given here in a slide and height with 4 centimeter. So what is the area of triangle? Half multiply base multiply height. So base is given 6 multiply height. We will calculate it, simplify it. So we will get 12 centimeter of this triangle's area. Okay. Now we understand few mixed problems. We have to find out the perimeter with the length given 10 centimeter and the breadth 5 centimeter. Okay, so what is perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth, and length we have given already here 10 centimeter plus breadth is 5 centimeter. 10 plus 5 is 15. So 2 multiply 15 is 30 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangle. Now we have to find out the perimeter of a triangle with the sides given 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. What is the perimeter of a triangle? The perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the 3 sides. So all the 3 sides are given here. 3 plus 4 plus 5 we will add 3 of them, gives us 12 centimeter of the perimeter of this triangle. Now let's understand another problem. Rectangle has area 48 centimeter square and length 8 centimeter. Find its breadth. Now we have to find out the breadth. Area we know the area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. So breadth is come out area divided by length. So what is area here? 48 we will divide by 8. So we will simplify it, gives us 6 centimeter. Okay. Now you know how to find out the area, perimeter, length, breadth of these 2D shapes. Okay. Now let's see another example. Find the area of a triangle with base 10 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. We know the area of a triangle is half multiply base multiply height, and base is here 10 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. We will simplify it. We got it 25 centimeter, the area of this triangle. Okay, let's understand more clearly with a circles problem. Find the circumference of a circle with radius 7 centimeter, and we know the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, and pi is already given as 3.14. The pi is always 3.14, okay, by default. So 2 multiply 3.14 multiply 7 gives us 43.96 centimeter, the circumference of this circle. Okay, now let's understand another problem. A square and a rectangle have the same area of 36 centimeter square. Find the perimeter of each if the square's side is 6 centimeter and the rectangle's length is 12 centimeter. Now we have already given a area for both square and rectangle. So we have to find the perimeter for square first. Then later we will find out for rectangle also. So now we have a square with all the same sides 6 centimeter. We know the perimeter of a square is 4 multiply sides. So 4 multiply 6 gives us 24 centimeter. Now we have a rectangle with a length 12 centimeter and area we have given 36 centimeter square. We have to find the breadth. So breadth will be area divided by length. Area is 36. We will divide it by 12. Simplifies it. We got it 3 centimeter, the breadth. Now we will find out the perimeter. Now we have already the breadth and length. Now we will find out the perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? 2 multiply length plus breadth. Length is 12 plus breadth is 3. So 12 plus 3 is 15. 15 multiply 2 gives us 30 centimeter perimeter of this rectangle also. Okay, I hope you all are getting. Okay, next slide we have the question. A triangle has sides 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 9 centimeter. Finds its perimeter, and the perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the 3 sides, and 3 sides already given. 7 plus 8 plus 9 gives us 24 centimeter. Okay, now let's see some units and their conversions. So we know what are the units we use for length: centimeter, meter, millimeter, kilometer, and usually the area. Area in units, how we represent it: centimeter square, millimeter square, meter square, kilometer square. Okay, we have a problem here. A parallelogram has a base of 8 centimeter and a height of 5 centimeter. Find its area. So what is the area of a parallelogram? Base multiply height, and the base is 8 centimeter here, multiply 5 centimeter height. 8 multiply 5 gives us 40 centimeter square area of this parallelogram. Okay, next problem we see. A farmer wants to plant a parallelogram shaped field. The base of the field is 12 meter and the height is 9 meter. How much area does the farmer have to plant? So the area of a parallelogram, we know base multiply height, and the base is 12 meter here in this field, and height is 9 meter of the field. So area is base multiply height. So we have a base 12 multiply 9. So 12 multiply 9 gives us 108 meter square, the area of this